The Weave tool will create an extrusion much like the Extrude tool, but will allow any intersections in the vectors to go over or under each other to create a weaved relief. The Weave tool is again located on the top toolbar. To use the tool, select the drive rail vectors and then select a cross section. A quick way to do this, not only with this tool but with all the other live tools, is to select the drive rails and then shift select the cross section. When you open the tool, it will automatically know that the drive rails are the first vectors selected and the cross section is the last. Again, any of the vectors can be manipulated using their nodes and the shape will update in real time. Options within the tool allow you to adjust the length of the crossover. This is the length where the two reliefs touch. This allows you to adjust where the relief goes above and below the other section. The depth of overpass is a percentage value based on the height of the relief. Here I have it set to 100%, so when it comes under to create the weave, it will come down to the 0 plane and then come back up. The overpass will add a percentage of the relief onto the top of the weave to create the effect. When you are happy with the result, select Apply and then close the tool.